So I finally noticed that your tuning is basically B standard. So I was like, well, I just better might as well use my baritone. Hardly ever use this thing, but I do really like it. Anyway, so yeah, things are sounding good still. I only had a few days, and you wanted more out of it, but you're welcome to try it a little bit longer. But got new things here. So number one, we're going to do what I like to call 4-note coils. I've also heard this be called sequencing. So this is in a 6/4 time signature. This way, the entire, let's say, phrase is shown in one bar. The notes are beamed together to make it easier to see each 4-note grouping. So I call it a coil because it reminds me of like something just kind of coiling, like it's like a coil's going up. And 4-note coil because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you see at the start of each grouping of notes, 5, 7, 8. So basically, we just go up one note at a time. And each starting note, we go up 4 notes in scale. So technically, on the baritone, that would be E minor. But we pretend it's A minor to make things easy for us guitar players. Anyway, so yeah, just strict alternate picking the whole time. This is a complex thing to get down. Sequence stuff, coil stuff, it's a bitch. So yeah, just so you know, just a heads up on that one. These things are very difficult, but yeah, let's try some difficult. All right. So even though this is a 6/4 time signature, I'm just going to count off 4. So this way it's easier and we're used to it and it takes less time. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just 8 notes. I almost put it in a 2/4 time signature. I was like, no, I think this would be better. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuff like that, I do find palm muting, even just slight palm muting, makes it easier to play clean. Cleans it up, easier to play. Okay, we're also going to start getting rhythmic once again. This is stuff that we covered with the chords, and if I remember correctly, there was some stuff we needed to polish up with the strumming, but then once you got the hang of what we were doing, you just kind of took off with it. So we have a different rhythm every bar. So let's just see how it goes. If it ends up being too confusing, that's okay. We'll work up to it. But I want to give it a try and see how you do. We are changing notes every pick stroke once again. However, we're not going too insane with this. basically, you're playing the same 3 notes 2 times in a row for each bar. So the first bar, you just got your 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and then we do it again for the next bar. So I'm not doing the rhythm right now. I'm just demonstrating the notes. But basically, simplify it even more. So first 2 bars, same notes. Next 2 bars, same notes. These 2 bars, same notes. So basically we start off with 5, 7, 8. Then up a string, 5, 7, 8 again. And then up a string and do 6, 7, 9. So this way we get some harmonic minor in there. Okay, so just doing that to get used to the note pattern is a great idea. And then start getting the rhythm. So break it down into as many pieces as you need to. Work on 1 bar at a time, 2 bars at a time. It's always a good idea. So here, saying what the rhythm is might be very helpful. So especially if you feel like you keep picking things incorrectly, if you're playing the wrong rhythm, great idea to just count along, at least at the 60, to make sure you get things right. With like complex left-hand, right-hand synchronization stuff, I'm not always trying to count those kinds of things. I feel like counting when you do the chords is much more important because it helps develop all those fundamentals, good habits, and all of that stuff. But so counting is optional on the single note stuff, and eventually the legato that we're going to do, but it's still helpful. So here we go. I'm going to count at least the 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, just like the chords, if it's a downbeat, you pick down, upbeat, you pick up. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for at least one more clean chord thing. Seems to be going well, so I want to keep going with that. So chords, pretty simple. Picking, on the other hand, may not be so simple. Stick with that. Okay, so it's still strict alternate picking. So a lot of string crossing and whatnot going on here. So yeah, it's just down, up, 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 and then repeat. So just doing this E5 and F5 chord back to the E5. So yeah, chord-wise, pretty simple. Picking, on the other hand, much more challenging. So down, up, down, up, down, up the whole time. No sweeping, no 2 downstrokes or upstrokes in a row. Although it would be more efficient to do it that way. Again, we're just working on developing stronger alternate picking. Here we go. And thumb control. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's basically you ascend the chord 4 times, and then the 5th time you go up and down. So that's why I was counting like the 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure I don't lose track of what the heck I'm doing. All right, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. That is tough. I think you asked, do I ever get jittery or overthinking stuff? Not too much anymore as far as like overthinking. I know how that goes. Sometimes you just gotta take a step back and not overthink it anymore. Because yeah, if you start overthinking it, you'll start goofing stuff up. I've done that plenty of times. I mean, I always feel pressure, when things start recording. And then when I'm doing this stuff here for you guys, when I start making mistakes, man, does that pressure build fast. I'm like, shit. Like, I'm supposed to be able to play this stuff. I can't expect somebody else to do this if I can't fucking do it right now. So, yeah, I feel the pressure all the time, for sure. If my mistakes end up being too much, I'll just stop the video and start a new one. So, I know what is it. Yeah, I got it. I understand. So, I think that covers it all. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.